Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors here. Sun's gone behind a tree, so I get a little bit of shade, which is nice. Let me show you what it looks like after step 2. Okay, remember step 2 was to clean up the area, so I've got all of the nails pulled out, swept away. All the little pieces of shingles have been removed as well. If there are any nails that were holding shingles down, I just pounded those in. That's kind of my rule of thumb, is if they're still holding a shingle in there, go ahead and pound them in. And then there were a couple, like 2, maybe 3. Here's one right here where it was just in there too far. Couldn't really get the pry bar underneath it very well, so just pounded that one in too. All right, and then so I've got the shingles in place. There's 2 bundles up there, and then 2 bundles right here. It's going to take me a little more than 2 bundles of shingles, field shingles, to actually cover up the spaces here. And then it's going to take about 1, maybe a little more than 1, to take care of all the ridges. So I got another one just in case. I don't really have time to be going back and forth with the supplier. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. And I'll do another quick video once I get started.